If you sneeze and someone shouts, "Bless you," congrats, you've just survived an ancient superstition. Who knew allergies had history? Back in 6th century Rome, sneezing was scary. People thought it meant you were getting the plague. Pope Gregory started saying "God bless you" to protect people's souls. Some even believed sneezing let evil spirits slip in, so "bless you" was like a spiritual shield. Fast forward to today, and we're still saying it, even if it's just for a runny nose. Next time you sneeze, remember, you're carrying on a 1400-year-old tradition.